So, I got another little tip for you. I started out with 3 strawberry plants in this big pot, and I've kept it under light. It's what I call my mother plant. I don't want it fruiting. So I kept it under light so that it would grow a lot of runners. And now that it's got a lot of runners, what I'm doing is taking those runners. It's still attached to the mother plant in there. But I'm taking those runners and putting them in their individual little pots. And what this will do is develop brand new plants. And so what I do is you take this little runner right here, let me focus in, and you can take a paper clip. I'm using some hay wire and just cut me a little piece. Just make a little clip and just sit there and poke it down. And what that does is hold that into place, and it will develop its own root system. And once it develops its own root system, well, you can just take it and cut it from the mother plant and start feeding it by itself. But what I've got here is this same one that's connected here, it's connected there, it's connected there, and there. And I just take those runners when I find them hanging out like that right there. Once they develop just a little bigger, and I'll make brand new plants out of them. So anyway, you can take just a couple of strawberry plants and make many out of them. Now, if you're wanting to grow strawberries, you don't want these runners. You want to cut these runners off, and you want your plants to not flower until they get 3 big old leaves that touch like this here. That way they can produce a big strawberry. Otherwise, you see them little old plants at Lowe's like this right here already making strawberries. Well, they'll never make a big delicious strawberry because the plant just simply isn't there to support it. So if you're wanting big strawberries, then you need to keep all these runners cut off, and you need to, anytime you see a flower, go ahead and pull that flower off. Don't let the plant flower until it gets big enough to develop big berries. Also with these strawberries, they're just like us. They want to eat every week. So you need to give them plant food every week, and they will get big and pretty like this. Now me, I want to just keep making strawberry plants, so I'm going to let it just keep running, keep picking the flowers off, and just keep making more and more plants. Hope this helped y'all.